Hey everybody, I am Details, and this is the Ocean to Lake Trail. So we just started the Ocean to Lake Trail. I'm out here with Plug It In Hikes, our good friend Craig, Jupiter Hikes, and later on today we're going to meet up with Honeybee, Field Trip, and BB Giggles. I'm looking forward to showing everybody what a real Florida hike looks like. We've been out on the trail for about an hour and a half, I guess. We just stopped and got some water. Now we're going through some pine forest, going in and out of some scrub. Looking forward to getting to our first section of swamp. Can't wait to get my feet wet. So we just came across this possum. He was sitting on the side of the trail. He didn't seem too interested in moving. Even when I was trying to hurry him along with my trekking pole, he kind of just hung out. We got a little over 4 miles left until tonight's campsite. We may be getting wet a little bit, so let's see what we can get into. Well, here we go. The first truly wet section. What do you think of this, Betty?
Oh yeah!
We made it to Little Gopher campsite. We're all set up for the night. The bugs are starting to come out, so we're probably just gonna eat dinner real fast and get into our tents. What a trip. So for the last 15 minutes or so, we've been in and out of all these really cool cypress swamps. We got all these cool little cypress trees everywhere, and you can see the blazes on the trees just leading you right through. It's one of the most unique sections of trail you'll ever find. We're looking for a new lookout tower that they just recently added to the trail. So we're looking forward to checking that out, maybe getting a good view or two. We made it to the tower! Woo!
Great addition to the trail.
Well, day 3. We're really excited because probably in about 7 more miles we're going to be eating some pizza pie, and that makes me happy. Well, we just came out of the water. Now we're heading up to walk along this dike. The water walking is done for the Ocean to Lake Trail. We're entering Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Not too much longer to go. It's gonna be a good day. Here we are, the rolling sand dunes of Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Now you know it's not a hike in Florida unless you're doing some hiking on the road. Here it is. Hey! We did it! Ah! We finished the Ocean to Lake Trail.